boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar and Livingston. He Can Fly. The song is called Look Mom, I Can Fly. So this one is an uplifting song. It's nice to play songs like this sometimes, and yeah, it's pretty straightforward when it comes to the chord progression. That will be the same throughout the song, and then we have just different styles of playing depending on the verse and chorus play. Let's go into the song, and we're gonna use the setup capo on first. All right, so that makes our life much easier. So put that capo on if you want to match up with the sound. If you don't have any capo, then still follow the same chords I have. I would do that and just play it just a tad darker, one step down. Doesn't hurt too much. Anyway, let's go into the chord, and starting with F. That's a bar chord where you play the bar on the first fret. You cover all strings there, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. Next chord is C. Alright, so that goes third on A, second on G, open G, first B, and open E. We have G next, and that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E. And the final chord is A minor. And that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. So we have the chords F, C, G, and A minor. That is what we're going to do throughout the song. Let's go into the verse play, and it's very simple. You just play 8 downs per chord. So F, 8, C, 8, G, 8, and A minor 8, like this. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is how you handle the verse play. Over now to the chorus play, we're going to use a strumming pattern. So if we go back to the F chord, you're going to play like this. Okay, so that is down, clap. And then comes down, up, down, clap, down. So down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. We're gonna play one of these per chord in the same order, F, C, G, and A minor. That gives us again. And that is the chorus play, and then we have the final part, that is the outro, and it's based upon the F, C, and G. You're gonna play that for 2 chord progression rounds. So you're gonna play this for F. So what I do here, just play a bar. That's what you need for this specific part, the outro part. So you're gonna have and use the first fret E string in the bass, and you play that together with the first fret E string, the high E string. Then the first B. So you just need that bar. And then you continue with first high E and first B. You do that for 3 times. That's the F parts. So you're gonna start and then add 3 more rounds on the first E and first B. Then you use the same principles here for C, now just different notes. You're gonna play third A string together with open high E, and then first B. And then you're gonna play 3 rounds of the open high E, alternating with the first B. That's the C part, and then you have the final G part. It goes like this. That is longer. It goes third fret on E string in the bass together with third B, and then open G, And then you're gonna alternate the third B with the open G for 7 more rounds. And that is the end of the first round. You're gonna play 2 rounds of this. So it goes. And then the second round there. And as soon as you finish that second round, you have actually played, handled Livingston's Look Mom, I Can Fly. What a wonderful feeling he must have. So yeah, I hope you get the same feeling when you set the song and learn to handle it. I hope I could help you. And if it was helpful, feel free to support me here on Going Guitar. Next time, play tuned.